Hi, I'm Johnny with S&P Tree Service. Everything growing on your tree has its purpose, but may not be the most beneficial for the survival of the tree. Fungus is a decomposer, meaning it feeds off living and dead matter and can't produce its own food. The problem with fungus on your tree is that it takes away the nutrients. If out of control, can cause your tree to rot away from the inside. Don't let your tree decay away. Call the professionals at S&P Tree Service to trim away those problem areas before it's too late.